Good afternoon and welcome to the latest issue of Print21, the weekly video news bulletin for the Australia and New Zealand print industries. This issue is sponsored by Ball & Doggett, Australia's largest supplier of printable materials and of press room consumables. The Print and Visual Communication Association, the main employers association of the industry, is forming a male industry coalition to develop a united industry response to the government consultation into modernisation of Australia's postal service provision. This follows the latest disastrous figures for letters from Australia Post. Half-year figures revealed it was losing more than $1 million a day on the service. The government has since released a discussion paper on its future, with question marks once again sitting over its obligation to provide daily letter deliveries. In response, PVCA is hoping to formalise an industry-wide male industry coalition by this Friday 17th of March, and is aiming to host the first roundtable session on that date. For those who wish to be involved in this PVCA Male Industry Coalition, please contact info@pvca.org.au. Since those half-year figures have been released, commentary has been wide and varied, and also that included Australia Post CEO Paul Graham questioning the future of letters, and that commentary has included suggestions of reduced delivery timetables, reassessment of the number of postbox collection points, and other regularity compliance obligations. Australia Post believe that it's no longer economically feasible to run a letter service as it is. Michelle Rowland, the Minister for Communications, has now written to PVCA seeking insights and submissions to assist the Postal Service Review and look into future solutions, with those submissions due on the 27th of April. The new Male Industry Coalition is being formed to provide industry-wide response and hopefully will reset the relationship with Australia Post to a better place than it's been. MCC and Amcor were the two big winners at the annual Flexo Packaging and Label Manufacturing Association Awards. They each walked away with a hatful of medals, gongs, after dominating their categories. Between them, they also scooped all the Best in Show awards, with MCC also picking up the Innovation Award. That was the Label and Flexo Packaging Industries Night of Nights, held in the glamorous Crown Palladium on Melbourne's South Bank there. Avery Denison has opened a new National Training and Innovation Centre for the wrapping industry. It's located at its 5-star environmental distribution centre in Brisbane. The new 300 square metre facility, it will aim to attract up to 600 people a year from Australia, from New Zealand, and in fact from the wider Asia Pacific region. It's the first centre of its kind in the region, and they'll learn the ins and outs of both basic and advanced wrapping. With Avery Denison saying both the business wrapping and retail wrapping markets are in growth mood, as is the architecture business. Still on wrapping, and the judges for Ball & Doggett's Who is Australia's Greatest Wrapper competition have been confirmed. They are industry leaders Matt Horn, Dan Sefton and Steve Warren, and they're set to run their eagle eyes over the entrance. Competition is open to all registered print, sign and display businesses, with the winner being able to attend FESPA Global Print Expo in Germany in this May, with a trip to over there, which is a great prize. Still on competitions, GSP's printing of Subway's Beyond Big campaign. That's the Outdoor Media Association's Grand Prix winner for the 2022 Creative Collection competition. Judges were unanimous in their decision that the consistent message and range of different out-of-home advertising formats throughout that campaign, they showcased outstanding creativity. Congratulations to GSP. The latest Print21 industry podcast is out with Kelly Northwood, CEO of PVCA, talking with me, Wayne Robinson, editor of Print21, and how the Employers Group has been able to achieve major wins for the print industry this year. Wins that will benefit all print businesses. Apprentices are back on the priority list. A printed voice referendum is coming. Clear communication with Australia Post, and especially the Minister Michelle Rowland, is going on, which is all great news for the industry, and it's a great listen. And finally, congratulations to Finsbury Green, one of Australia's largest print managed services and logistics companies, and one of the big B1 press units in the country. It's celebrating half a century in business this week, and it has a continued focus on sustainable printing. Founded in 1973 by Doug Cleland, Ernie and Olga Orrell, and now owned by their son Peter Orrell, the company rapidly grew to become a national leader in sustainable printing. And as the years have gone by, it's developed its offering to encompass a wide range of marketing and communication services. Over the past 5 decades that Finsbury Green has been in existence, business has expanded significantly. It's grown from 2 staff to 195, from a $30,000 turnover to nearly $100 million. and it's expanded its physical presence from a modest operation in what was Finsbury Park to 5 sites across Victoria, South Australia and New South Wales. Enjoy the celebrations, everyone at Finsbury Green. That's it for this issue of Play Print 21. Full details on all these stories and more, go to print21.com.au, the industry's news website. For now, this is Wayne Robinson signing off for another week with thanks to our sponsor, Ball & Doggett.